In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add co-organizers to a meeting in Microsoft Teams. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your calendar within Microsoft Teams. You can usually find the calendar icon on the left-hand navigation pane of your Teams application. This is your central hub for scheduling and managing all your meetings, so it's the natural starting point for making any adjustments. Once you're on the calendar view, you'll see a comprehensive overview of your upcoming appointments, events, and scheduled meetings. Take a moment to locate the specific meeting you wish to modify. This ensures you're working with the correct event before proceeding with any changes. Now that you're in your calendar view, carefully identify the particular meeting you intend to add co-organizers to. Once you've found it, simply click on that meeting entry. This action will open up a pop-up window or a side pane, displaying the meeting's details. These details include information like the title, attendees, date, time, and any attached notes or files. By clicking the meeting, you're essentially selecting it and preparing it for further interaction, such as viewing its specifics or making necessary modifications to its setup. With the meeting details now open on your screen, look for the Edit option. This is a crucial step because it allows you to unlock the meeting settings and make changes. The Edit button is typically located prominently, often near the top of the meeting details window, or as part of a ribbon of options. Clicking Edit will transform the view, making various fields and settings interactive, allowing you to modify participants, adjust the schedule, or in our case, delve into the more advanced meeting options to assign co-organizer roles. After clicking Edit, you'll notice a range of new settings become accessible. Your next move is to locate and click on Options. This Options button is usually found within the meeting setup screen, often appearing as Meeting Options or a similar label. It serves as a gateway to more granular controls over your meeting's functionality and participant experience. This is where you can define permissions, manage waiting rooms, and critically for our purpose, access the settings related to roles within the meeting, which include the ability to designate co-organizers. Upon selecting Options, a new window or pane will likely appear, presenting a comprehensive list of meeting settings. Within this new interface, you'll need to find and click on the Roles section. This area is specifically designed to let you manage who can present, who can bypass the lobby, and importantly, who can share organizer responsibilities. The Roles section ensures that you have full control over the dynamics of your meeting, allowing you to empower others to help manage the session effectively. This step is key to delegating responsibilities. Finally, within the Roles section, you'll see an option labeled something like Choose Co-Organizers or Select Co-Organizers. This is where you can actually pick individuals from your organization to share the hosting duties. Simply click on this option, and a search bar or a list of eligible participants will appear. You can then search for and select the specific people you want to designate. Remember to save your changes once you've made your selections. Adding co-organizers is highly beneficial for larger meetings or when you need assistance managing various aspects like breakout rooms or attendee questions, ensuring a smoother event for everyone involved.